it's Vicky from Minerva. Today is a really exciting day because today is kit launch day here at Minerva. So in case you didn't know, every single month here at Minerva we launch brand new exclusive sewing kits that contain everything you need to be able to make a garment. So we take the hard work off pairing patterns and fabrics together, so you can literally buy with one click everything you need to be able to sew a garment. So the two kits we have this month both come in 5 different colourways, and the theme this month is trousers. Now I think trousers is something that lots of us love to sew because it's often something, you know, that's really hard to find a good fit when you're buying ready to wear clothes. So yeah, trousers are definitely a popular item here in the Minerva sewing community for lots of our makers to make. So we've got 2 very different styles of trousers, and the gorgeous fabrics that we've chosen this month are in our Minerva core range fabrics. So they are plain fabrics, and we've chosen some absolutely beautiful linens. So yeah, you've got some really gorgeous fabric options this month. So let's take a look at the 2 different kits. So first of all, we've got the fabulous Eve trousers from Merchant and Mills. So we'll insert some images so you can see the image of the kit, of the pattern in this particular kit. So the Eve trousers are cropped with a slightly tapered leg, and you have the option for adding a turn up to the bottoms as well. It's a very nice and easy trouser pattern to make. And it fits neatly at the waist and over the hips with a simple side zip, and it has 2 back pockets as well. So you can choose to make them with pleats or with darts into the waist seam, just for, you know, a slightly different look on both. So yeah, you've lots of different options in this pattern, but basically we're looking at a slightly cropped, slightly tapered leg trouser, and this pattern is absolutely fabulous, we feel, to be made in a linen fabric. So that was definitely the inspiration for the for the fabric this month. So that's the first kit. So the second one is the Style Arc Bob Pants pattern. Now this pattern is phenomenally popular in the Minerva sewing community. It's a bestseller year after year, this pattern, and it features this barrel shape that is so on trend right now. We're seeing it everywhere, and they're just a very casual, easy to throw on, easy to wear kind of trouser. So the difference with this particular pattern, so with this we have elastic at the waist, so very comfortable, and they have inseam pockets, and like I said, they have this barrel leg shape which is very kind of distinct. So yeah, these are again another very easy trouser pattern to make, and again they look absolutely fabulous in a linen. Yeah, just absolutely gorgeous. The way they hang in a linen, it's the perfect fabric, we think, for this pattern. So next we'll take a look at what's included in the kits, and of course at the gorgeous colour options in the fabric. But first of all, I just wanted to mention that with Minerva exclusive kits, they are completely customizable. So if you want to tweak with any of the quantities of any of the products in the kit, you can do. So if, for example, you already own the pattern, it would obviously be a complete waste to have to buy that again. So you could just remove the pattern from your kit. If you wanted just a little bit extra fabric or a little bit less, so you wanted to swap the fabric out, you could do that as well. And if you wanted to buy perhaps 2 of the same kit, then you could absolutely do that, and obviously just reduce it to just 1 pattern instead of 2, and you'd only need like 1 pack of needles instead of 2, that sort of thing. So yeah, how you purchase your kit is entirely up to you. It's completely flexible. You can, just with 1 click buy it, and you've got everything you need. But if you do want to customize it, you do have that option too as well. So let's take a look at what's actually in the kits this month. So the pattern size ranges. So with the Eve trouser, the pattern sizes, you have 2 different pattern options to choose from. One that covers sizes 6 to 18, and the other that covers sizes 18 to 28. So just make sure that you choose the correct one. And with the Bob Pants, you have again 2 different size bands. So you've got sizes 4 to 16 in one, and I think it's 14 to 30 in the other, but just double check that on the website. So just make sure with both these kits that you're choosing the correct pattern size for you. And as always with our kits, you know, if you just buy them as they are, they contain enough to make any size in the pattern, so you don't need to worry about that. So let's have a look what's included. So in the Eve trouser kit, so we've got the paper pattern itself, which is beautifully packaged from Merchant and Mills. You also get a packet of needles, which are the perfect size and type for the fabric that's included in your kit. You also get a Gutterman sew-all thread, which will perfectly match the fabric colour option that you choose. You get a packet of non-roll woven elastic, which is perfect for waistbands in trousers. You also get a packet of iron-on filing interfacing. You also get a matching 7-inch dress zip or trouser zip, and again this will coordinate with whichever fabric option you choose. And then you also get a packet of buttons as well, which you just need for the side closure. And again, they will coordinate with the fabric you choose. So the fabric in this month's kits. So this is 100% linen. It's from our Minerva core range, and it is our mill washed 100% linen fabric, and it is absolutely gorgeous. If you love linen, I know you'll absolutely love this fabric. It's every linen lover's dream, I think. So this is the gorgeous navy blue colourway, and it's a really deep, rich colour. It's gorgeous. I think that's the kind of colour that'll go with so many things in your wardrobe. And you know, what better than just to make a classic pair of navy trousers in a beautiful natural fibre fabric that you can wear with practically anything. So yeah, this is the navy blue colourway, and it's one of those, if you've ever sewn with linen before, you'll know, but when you pre-wash your fabric, and with every wash and wear, it softens and moulds to the body, and yeah, it has that wonderful slubby texture that, you know, you associate with linen. It's got a beautiful weight, a beautiful softness, a beautiful handle, and yeah, it really is just an absolutely stunning fabric. And we were really happy to sort of bring some trouser kits in some plain fabrics as well. You know, trouser kits in printed fabrics obviously can be fabulous, but I think in plain fabrics they'll go with lots of your tops and tunics and cardigans and things in your wardrobe. So we really hope these will be some, you know, workhorses for your wardrobe that you'll just be able to reach for time and time again. So that's the first colour option. The second one is this gorgeous, like a chalky kind of stone beige colour. It's quite an unusual colour really. Isn't that absolutely lovely? So a much lighter colour on this, but still, you know, it's still got a warmth to the colour, and it's got a very sort of natural earthy kind of feel to it, that colourway, I think. Another colour that will just go with so many things in your wardrobe. I think a couple of pairs of these trousers in your wardrobe and you'll be fixed. So that's the second colourway. The third colourway is this really beautiful, like a mid denim-y blue colour. Again, a very rich colour again. Beautifully saturated, isn't that lovely? Just hold that out a little bit more, you can see. There we go. Really bonny colour, that one. It reminds me a little bit of like denim jean colour, that sort of thing. So if you're somebody that likes to wear jeans a lot, that might be a nice colourway. And then it's sort of bridging the gap, isn't it, between a trouser and a denim jean then. So that's the third colourway. The fourth colourway we've got is classic black. You can't beat a pair of black trousers in your wardrobe, can you? They always come in useful and pair with loads of things in your wardrobe. So yeah, that's a really beautiful jet black colour. And then the fifth and final colourway in this kit is this beautiful khaki green. It's like an army green or a khaki green colour, or an olive green it could be described as. Really, really beautiful. I think this is quite an underrated colour sometimes, I think, but I have items in my wardrobe in this colour, and it's surprising just how many things that they actually go with. I think because it's, you know, it's a natural kind of colour, it can be thought of as a neutral, and yeah, it's a nice warm colour as well. and you'll be surprised just how many things it goes with. And I think it suits lots of different skin tones, this as well. That's the feedback we always get from customers. So yeah, that's another really gorgeous colourway. So next, let's take a look what's in the bob pant kit. So first of all, you've got the pattern from Style Like. So just remember with that, choose the correct size pattern for you. And then you also have a pack of machine needles, which are the perfect size and type for the fabric you get in the kit. You get a pack, a reel of Gutterman sew thread that will match the fabric that you choose. And then you get some non-roll woven elastic. Again, that's the perfect type for an elastic waistband on trousers. And then you get the fabric. So this fabric, it's a slightly different linen. This is our 100% Slub linen. They're very, very similar. This one has, again, a beautiful slubby texture. It has a gorgeous weight, beautiful softness, really gorgeous handle. Just the two ranges come in slightly different colourways, so we thought we'd choose colours from each. So that's why we featured both ranges in the kits. So this one is a really beautiful silver grey colour. Again, another classic. You'll see we've gone for very classic colours in these kits. Colours rather that are going to get lots and lots of wear and team with lots of different things in your wardrobe. But yeah, you can see the beautiful softness on that linen, but it's got gorgeous weight to it as well. It's just absolutely perfect for trousers. So that's the first colourway. So second, we have this beautiful, so this is like a khaki green, but if you compare it to the green in the other kit, you can see that the one in this kit is more of a faded colour. Not faded, that's probably the wrong way of saying it, but it's a more earthy, less vibrant sort of green when you compare the two. More of an earthy kind of colour, more of a greyish kind of green. That's probably a good way of describing it. Again, a very natural, neutral kind of tone. Will go with so many things. And venturing, you know, slightly more towards, I guess, maybe not the lighter colour and end of the colours, but you know, maybe it's more of it's not very dark either, is that one. Quite a midway sort of colour. Then we have a beautiful stony, soft beige colour. Again, another neutral classic. Really beautiful colourway, that one. Very soft, quite a warm colour, but yeah, it feels very sort of natural and neutral, that one. Then we've got two darker colourways. So we've got your classic navy blue. So this is a rich, deep, saturated navy. It's absolutely beautiful. Hopefully that colour's coming across well on screen there, but yeah, nice and rich and dark. Will go with so many things in your wardrobe. Again, just a classic pair of navy trousers in a beautiful linen fabric. What could be better? And then the fifth colourway in this fabric is the classic black. So we wanted to do black in both because, yeah, it's just a classic to reach for in your wardrobe, isn't it? So yeah, again, that's a really saturated, deep, sort of jet black colour, that one. So that is the 5 options in the bob kit. So just to mention, you'll have noticed we'll have inserted some images as we went through the video, as we went through the fabric options there, and they are the kits made by our wonderful brand ambassadors here at Minerva. So our brand ambassadors who have made the kits will be posting them on the Minerva website today. So if you want to head over and have a look at more images and see these kits actually made up by real people in the sewing community, worn on people of different shapes and sizes, made by people of different sewing abilities, then do head to the Explore view on the home page of Minerva. Have a scroll down and you'll see all those posts that have been shared by our wonderful brand ambassadors today, and don't forget to give them a follow while you're there. Just as well to mention, with all our Minerva sewing kits, we do offer a completely free sew along video that guides you through from start to finish on how to make the kits. So they are taught by some of our wonderful tutors here at Minerva, and if you're somebody that is either new to sewing, or perhaps you've never made trousers before, or perhaps you are more of a visual learner, And then, you know, the sew-alongs are absolutely invaluable. And even if you're somebody that's been sewing for a long time, you know, sometimes we just, you know, hit a part in the instructions and, you know, you just need a second pair of eyes, don't you? So those, you can just, you know, jump into the sew-alongs just at the bit you might need and, yeah, watch somebody actually go through the pattern making it. So yeah, they're there for everybody. And the sew-alongs are completely free to everybody, whether you buy the kit from us or not. So yeah, you can find those on our website. We'll put links to them below as well. So yeah, and if you're perhaps thinking, oh, well, I've never made trousers before, I know Vicky said that they're easy, but you know, will I be able to sew them? You could always watch the videos first and decide if the kits are for you. So I think that's everything I wanted to share today. I really hope you enjoy the kits this month. Yeah, we often do trouser kits around this time of year. I think it's a nice time of year to kind of look at, you know, some basic kind of wardrobe pieces that, you know, let's face it, are often the ones that we wear the most, aren't we? And we can team with our gorgeous patterned and printed fabrics, you know, in our tops and cardigans and that sort of thing. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy the kits this month and you love the colour selections that we've put together. If the colour selections aren't for you though, do remember you can always swap out the fabric in the kits, and both of these linen fabric ranges do come in a huge range of colours. So if you prefer something brighter or, you know, just different to the colours we've selected here, we do have that full range for you to choose from on Minerva as well. So as always, below this video I will tag the patterns and the fabrics that I've mentioned in the video that are in the kits, and in the description of the video itself you'll find links to all the kits individually and a link to our kit section on the website, so if you want to have a look at them all you can find them there. So yeah, you can find everything that you need to take you through to the kits or the individual products in the links below. Like I say, I'll also put links to the sew-alongs as well, so you can find those there as well. And do let me know in the comments of this video which is your favourite kit this month, which is more your style of trouser, and what colour would you love to sew them in. I'd love to hear from you. And please do give this video a like and a follow if you enjoyed it. Just to mention as well, we do offer super fast free worldwide delivery here at Minerva, so wherever you're watching us from we can send these kits out to you in the post. And yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to mention today. Thank you so much for watching, we really do appreciate it. We hope you love the kits this month. Let us know your favourite in the comments, and I'll be back again soon with another video filled with sewing and fabric goodness.